When we designed our award-winning Landroid robot mower, we decided to build a lower-cost base model which everyone could then adapt to their own needs using a range of clever accessories. This modular design means you only pay for the features you need in your garden, or as your needs change, for example, if you move house, thereby keeping unnecessary features and costs to a minimum and future-proofing your Landroid. One of these module accessories is the anti-collision system, or ACS. So, do you need the ACS module? Well, once you've wired up your border perimeter, you might find you still have items in the garden that the Landroid needs to navigate around. It could be that you have a lot of trees in your garden and you don't want to individually wire them all off. Children that leave toys. Or maybe you have things that come and go, or move around the lawn like plant pots, or bicycles. The ACS is an anti-collision sensor that prevents your Landroid from bumping into things before turning. Using high-grade ultrasonic sensors to detect objects in the Landroid's pathway, the autopilot software reroutes the mower easily, bypassing obstacles and continuing on its way without colliding and without stopping. First, before installing any module, make sure you've updated your Landroid's firmware to the latest version. Installing the ACS is simple. Prise the cover off the ACS slot on the front of your Landroid. Take out the two CAN cables, remove the caps off the cable ends, and connect the CAN cables to the ACS module. Now push the cables back into the slot carefully and seat the module into position. Take the two screws and Allen key provided and screw the module down, making sure the cables are seated underneath. When you place the Landroid back on its base plate and turn it on, the ACS is automatically detected, activated, and works straight away. Now, as the Landroid intelligently navigates around your garden using its artificial intelligence, it will try to detect and maneuver around any new items that it discovers in your garden using the ACS. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.